All right, we're going to put in these solar deck lights, and yeah, this is them right here. We've got a solar panel on one end, two little holes where the screws pop in, and your on and off button right there. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I'm going to put some down lighting on my fence. Yes, sir, Bob. Come with a bunch of screws and anchors, but I won't need them. I'll just need the screws. All right.
All right, so let's get that off of there. Put it in my pocket. All right, so this is ready to go. So we're just going to measure it over here. And right there. How's that sound? Okay. Now we just got to drill. And how we put our screws in. All right, this one a little bit deeper. Okay, that should do it. Let's put our light on. Okay, so we got to turn it on. I do believe we are on the on position. Here we go. Pull this off. All right, rock and roll. Let's do it.
All right, so I've put a number of these lights on the fence, and tonight we'll look at them and see how they shine. All right, here we go. Step out here. Those lights are working fantastic. All right, let's see how we did. That looks good. I like it. I gotta say, our down lighting looks fantastic. That looks good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.